Welcome to the Carpigiani Pastochef RTL presentation, the ideal machine for pastry and gastronomic arts that gives you more time for your creativity. Pastochef is an electronic multi-purpose machine for classic confectionery and gastronomic recipes, including the 5 main pastry specialties: Pastry Cream, Bavarian Cream, Ganache, Pâte choux, as well as Jams and Marmalades. It comes in 3 sizes: Pastochef 18, 32, and 55, ranging from 7 kilograms to 50 kilograms of pastry cream per cycle. Pastochef can mix, cook, pasteurize, cool, and even store your products, guaranteeing maximum hygiene. In addition to its 45 recipe programs and 5 free programs, it adapts to your favorite recipes, allowing you to modify the speed, time, and temperature, which ranges from 2 Celsius to 105 Celsius. The machine heats and cools using a dry and Bain-Marie system without burning the product inside the cylinder, while guaranteeing complete mixing and cooking of the product. Pastochef has 2 continuous and 2 intermittent stirring speeds. The Pastochef RTL-I, thanks to the inverter option, has 9 continuous and 4 intermittent stirring functions. These extra stirring settings are especially useful for personalized recipes as they ensure optimal ingredient emulsion and improve texture and consistency of the final product. The double ergonomic lid allows you to easily pour in the ingredients to the machine even while mixing. The scraper blades of the beater and the special shape of the removable flap create a spiral movement in the mix, vertically and horizontally, that guarantee complete mixing and cooking of the product. The spigot has 3 positions according to the consistency of the product, while the tap is covered with a transparent cover protecting the operator from hot splashes for maximum safety during extraction. The versatile steel shelf can be adjusted in 4 positions to facilitate operations. It can be set in a straight or upside down position to support containers and trays of various sizes. The cylinder and the spigot are monolithic, a single continuous piece that guarantees maximum cleanliness and hygiene. Moreover, the washing of the machine is facilitated thanks to the sprayer and all the removable parts such as the extraction chutes. Pastochef RTL is Teorema ready. Teorema is a remote control and diagnosis system for monitoring of machine operations. You can access it via computer or mobile device. Pastochef RTL is your fundamental partner in the production of pastry and gastronomic recipes. Pastochef is quality standardization, maximum hygiene, reduction of manual work, flexible production range. For further guidance on recipes, the Pastochef RTL includes a detailed recipe book that can be downloaded using the QR code on the machine. The worldwide network of Carpigiani distributors can help you find the right machine for your business. You can find the contact of your local Carpigiani distributor as well as more info at 𝐏𝐚𝐬𝐿.com.